only eating Korean store food that I just bought.
There's
Tenters.
so hot and there's like so very cold, like water heat in here, and that's like just normal, right?
Yeah, the south very hot, the north
Like
like Canada.
like
I live in the middle.
yeah, it's in the middle.
In the middle of the
Actually,
winter.
do snow fall in your hometown?
Yeah,
Yeah, but not that cold.
not like here too much.
Too much.
My wife said
Korean shaped
she
egg.
can
Support.
support
Yeah,
for my family.
Yeah.
I said, if your parents not come here or my
$1 million chips.
Ayun kayo, oo. Punta ka na. Dumating ako, mag-aalas 10:30 na itong nakakagulog.
How much per month?
yeah, now it's before I come to here it's cheaper, but now maybe the salary is going up. Maybe I can earn $2,000.
$2,000 a month?
Have a three